Good morning, everyone. Students, I hope you are clear with the meaning of business environment. Fine. Must be knowing that business environment, the different factors and forces and the different institutions that effects on the environment, and these factors and forces are called the dimensions of business, right? So we can say dimensions of business environment means all the factors, forces and institutions which have direct or indirect influence over the business transactions. Okay, and this is called the general environment, right? Students, one thing should be very clear, that businessman can't influence or change the component of the general environment. Rather, he has to adjust himself according to the changed environment. Must be knowing, when the demonetization was there or the GST has been implemented in the society, so businessmen had adjusted according to these situations, right? They could not change the GST matter, they could not stop the demonetization. Fine. So it is business who has to adjust according to the changed environment. Okay, now we have the major components of general environment, the dimensions, you can say. So first major component or the dimension is economic environment, right? So you can say the economic environment refers to all the factors and forces which directly influence the economy of our country. Okay, and this consists gross domestic product, your national level, per capita income, profit earning rate, your monetary policy, fiscal policy. All these factors influence your business. This affects your business. Fine. So these are the economical environment for your business. And some aspects of the economic environment they have taken, what are the factors which affects on your business, like gross domestic product you have taken. There is a long list, you can go through it yourself. I'm telling you a few one, and it's telling like demonetization has taken place. Fine. And banking sector reforms has led to many attractive schemes of deposits and lending money. You have seen the different policies and plans have been formulated by the bank, and they convince their customers in the different way. Okay, and role of private and public sector, rate of saving and interest. This is one of the important thing. When government wants that you people should you should invest your money in the market. Okay, so this decreases the rate of deposits, decreases the rates on the deposit. So you people don't deposit your money in the bank. Fine. And then you tend to invest this money in the market, and vice versa. So these are the things, like policies formulated by the government. Economic policies are there, and a few when they are taking balance of trade and balance of payment, money supply in the economy, international debt, so many factors. These all factors affect on your economic environment, and you have to decide accordingly. Okay, your business has to adjust accordingly. Next dimension of the business, we have the social environment. Social environment consists of customs and tradition of the society. Do you know, students, these customs and traditions which we have, which are prevailing in our society, this affects on your business. Okay, and this like what is the standard of living of the people, what are their preferences, what is their education level, all these things affects on your social environment of your business. Fine. So it is telling the business can't overlook the components of social environment, as these components may not have immediate impact on the business, but in the long run the social environment has great impact on the business. And they have taken an example, social environment example. They are telling there is a Diwali festival, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, and so many other festivals. So we know, students, we find the concerned items in the market related to that festival. Fine. Near Diwali we find the sweets, crackers, these kind of things are available. Near Holi we find colors and all. So these festivals effects on your market or on your business. They have taken some common factors of Indian social environment. There is a list, you can go through it. Like these things have taken place already. Demand for reservation in jobs for minority and women, demand for equal status of women by paying equal wages for male and female, demand for automatic machines and luxury items in middle class families. So these all factors affect on your business. Now some aspects of the social environment they are telling: change in quality of life, right? Importance or place of women in workforce, birth and death rate of population, attitude of customers towards innovation, lifestyle, means how the customers reacts on the innovation. Do they accept the innovations or no? Education and literacy rate: educated people, they have the different kind of demand in the market. Fine. Tradition, customs and habits of the people, of course, all these factors affect people buy the things according to their habits, according to their customs, their religion and all. Okay, so these social factors affects on your business. Which kind of people, like which category of the people are available in the society, what is their caste, what is their culture, what is their creed. So all these things affect on your business, right? Now next we have political environment. Political environment constitute all the factors related to government affairs, such as a type of government power, which government is in the power, and what are the thinking of the government, right? And political changes, what kind of political changes are taking place. And the political environment has immediate and great impact on the business transaction, students. When new government comes, so it changes certain rule regulations according to his own plans and policies which favors the government, and it implements immediately. So business has to follow all these things. So this has a direct and immediate effect on the business. And some common factors are given here, common factors and forces which have influenced the Indian political environment. These are must be knowing, students: Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, this is started by the BJP. Skill India movement started by the BJP. Political stability encourages business enterprises. Present political system and profile. Constitution of the country. Government intervention of the business. Foreign policies of the government. All these factors have affected your business environment. Fine. Next we have legal environment. Now the management of every business enterprise has to obey the law and order of your country. Must be knowing, students, whatever the rule regulations has been applied, we have studied in 11th standard form of business organization, form of your business organizations. Fine. Either you have incorporated yourself under the Companies Act, Partnership Act, HUF or something else. So you have to obey all these things, right? Whatever has been mentioned in your deeds. So the different rule regulations which has been made in the society for the business, that you will be following. So therefore it is essential for every business enterprise to have adequate knowledge and rule regulations framed by the government. So it's telling what kind of law are there: various law and legislative act, administrative order issued by the government, courts judgment, as well as the decisions rendered by the various commissions and agencies. Students, when somebody filed the case against any other party, so the decision is taken by the judges, while considering so many factors. They consider certain previous judgments also. So that also affects on your business matters. And a certain law has been formulated for running the business smoothly, and these are Companies Act 2013. We have studied Industrial Act is there, FERA and FEMA is there, that is Foreign Exchange Management Act and Foreign Exchange Regulation Act is there, Trade Union Act is there, Factories Act is there, Industrial Disputes Act, Consumer Protection Act. All these acts has been formulated which we have to follow. We means business has to follow, and this makes your business environment. Okay. Some aspects of the legal environment are given. Legal policies related to the licensing and foreign trade. If it is there, so you have to follow all these things. Okay. Statutory warnings you must have seen printed on the cigarettes and all, and it is mentioned that this is smoking is injurious to health, right? Foreign Exchange Regulation and Management Act, I've told you. And law to keep a check on the advertisements. There are certain rules for the advertisements, okay, as there is a ban on the advertisement of the alcohol, okay, and on the advertisement of the baby food they must mention that mother's milk is the best one. Fine. So these are the rule regulations. law and order, which one has to follow, business has to follow. That means these are affecting on the business, this legal environment affects on the business. Next and last one is your technological environment. Okay, how this technological environment affects on your business. It includes the forces related to scientific improvements and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new way of operating business. Just think, students, this technology has been affected on your business or no? Earlier we were doing offline business, traditional business we were doing, and these days we find everywhere there is a time of online. Even you are getting online classes, we have never thought about it, fine, but this is also available. Okay, so examples they are giving recent technological changes which has affected your Indian business, that is CD-ROM, right, computerized information, kiosk, internet and all. These all have affected a lot on your business environment, social environment and everywhere. Online sale of grocery item, it's very common these days. Online booking of air tickets, movie tickets and all. Even you can see your seat number also, fine, you can have certain other informations. And due to technological advancement, customers can compare the fare and the prices, the rates of your items. You can visit the different websites and then you can choose the best economical item, fine. Now continuing innovation, so and so. Okay, let's take the different one, and how they have shifted from vacuum tubes to the transistors, typewriter to the processor, carbon paper to the photocopiers. I mean, these kind of changes, you will find these changes in each and every field, right? So technology has improved like anything, so this has affected on our business, fine. So students, you have seen that your business environment is having the different dimensions. I mean, the factors and forces which is affecting on the business are called your dimensions of the business environment. Here we have completed this topic and I've just taken it a little bit fast, so you must go through it properly. If you have any doubt, we can discuss later on. All right, students, and prepare for your test. And I tell you, test of chapter number 1, this will be taking place on Sunday, and you must go through all the MCQ and case studies properly. Detailed study you must do, because I'm not going to give you the question paper from this book. I'll be referring some other book, so please be ready for that. Thank you.